Oh mate, just taking me down. Can I see it all here now? Down the lane towards. I'm exhausted. I don't want me out the door, but honestly, I hope you can see it. But there's a big long lane. Sasha and I are walking along now, and then I brought my headphones. Today, but lovely headphones, and they're Bluetooth. So I downloaded some music, and I'm gonna see if we can play it on the beach. As you can see, this is all green. Can you see? I don't know if you can see or not, but this is all the bottom of the garden. This is all the green bit. This is all the green bit, and then we'll come on to the beach in a hill or two. There's some cows. They're the ones you know. We're not too sure. Right, and there's St John's Lighthouse away over there. That's the beach as well. So we're heading on down the beach.